This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soft oatmeal raisin cookies. First, cream together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter with 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar until light and fluffy. Next, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. Then, stir in 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats until evenly distributed throughout the dough. Finally, gently fold in 1 cup of plump raisins. This ensures they are well incorporated without crushing them. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden and the center still looks slightly soft. Remove from the oven and let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. For the softest cookies, remember not to overbake them. They should appear slightly underdone in the center when you pull them from the oven. As they cool, they will set up perfectly. Store your finished oatmeal raisin cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to keep them wonderfully soft and fresh. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.